Good morning, students. Today there are the formulas based on trigonometry. Trigonometric formulas. Sin A plus B. Sin A plus B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Second, sin A minus B. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Cos A plus B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Tangent A plus B. Tangent A plus tangent B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. Next, tangent A minus B. Tangent A minus tangent B 1 plus upon में 1 plus tangent A tangent B. And from these two formulas we also find out the next one. Tangent 45 plus A 1 plus tangent A upon 1 minus tan A. Tangent 45 minus A 1 minus tangent A upon 1 plus tangent A. Next one. Cot A plus B. Cot A cot B minus 1 upon cot A plus cot B. Next is a cot A minus B. Cot A cot B plus 1 upon cot B minus cot A. Now next, eleventh formula है sin square A minus sin square B sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Next one is cos square A minus sin square B, that is equals to cos A plus B to cos A minus B. Cos A minus B. Next is 2 sin A cos B sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Next is 2 cos A sin B sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Next one, 2 cos A cos B cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. 2 sin A sin B cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Okay. Now the next, sin C plus sin D 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Sin C minus sin D 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2. Next one, cos c minus cos d. And here are the two formulas, yani two forms. 2 sin c plus d by 2, sin c minus d by 2 with minus sign when c is greater than d, or 2 sin c plus d by 2, sin d minus c by 2. This one used when d is greater than c. Now next, sin 2a, sin 2a, 2 sin a cos a, sin 2a, that is 2 tangent a upon 1 plus tangent square a, cos 2a, cos 2a, 4 formulas, cos square a minus sin square a. Next one is cos 2a, that is equals to 2 cos square a minus 1. Next one is cos 2a, that is 1 minus 2 sin square a, 2 sin square a. Next formula, cos 2a in tangent form, 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tangent square a. Now tangent 2a, 2 tangent a upon 1 minus tangent square a. Next one is sin 3a, 3 sin a, 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a, cos 3a, cos 3a, 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, tangent 3a, 3 tan a minus tan cube a upon 1 minus 3 tan square a. Next one is, there are formulas which are formed by these two ones. This is 1 plus cos 2a, या 1 plus cos a लिख सकते हैं आप, 2 cos square a by 2, 1 minus cos a, 2 sin square a by 2. Now next is next one, sine formula, that is here a by sin a, b by sin b, c by sin c, and you will take it k, that's equal to k. And these a, small abc are the sides of the triangle, capital ABC are the angles of the triangle. Next one is cosine formula. That is cos A is equals to b square plus c square minus a square upon 2bc. Cos B is equals to c square plus a square minus b square upon 2ca. And next is cos c, a square plus b square minus c square upon 2ab. Now next are the formulas to solve the trigonometrical equation, general solution, you should find out the general solution, such like that. If it is given formulas to find out the general solutions. When sin theta is 0, so theta is n pi, n belong to integer. Next one is cos theta is 0, theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, n belongs to integer. Next is tangent theta is 0, then theta is equal to n pi, n belongs to integer. Sin theta is equal to sin alpha, theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to power n alpha, or n belongs to integer. Cos theta is equal to cos alpha, theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha, n belongs to integer. Now, tangent theta is tangent alpha, theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, n belongs to integer. Next is the sin square theta is sin square alpha, theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha, n belongs to integer. Next is cos square theta is cos square alpha, theta is equal to n pi. This will remain same, plus minus alpha, or n belongs to integer. Next is tan square theta is tan square alpha, theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. The students, these are very important formulas based on the trigonometry. You must memorize all the formulas by your heart. Okay, thanks.